Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you a delicious dal curry without adding coconut milk. And these are the ingredients basically you need. 1 cup of dal, half tablespoon of cumin, some curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of chopped tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of chopped onions, 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste, and 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander leaves. First of all, I am washing dal properly. I wash it 5 to 6 times. Now I am adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 cup of water. And mix it well. Now gas on medium, lid on, and cook dal until it's tender. After 8 to 10 minutes, I am going to check whether dal is cooked, but I think it's needed to be cooked a little bit more. Now dal is tender and nicely cooked. Here I am adding 1 big green chilli. If you want to add more green chilies, you can add more. Mix it well and add half a cup of water, and same time you can add salt. Stir it and cook another 5 minutes. If you need more gravy, then add more water. For me, this much gravy is enough. Now I'm going to temper dal. For that, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil into a pan. When oil is well warmed, I'm adding half a tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and 1 tablespoon of chopped onions. Now I'm adding some curry leaves. If you have tamarind leaves, you can add right now, but I couldn't find any tamarind leaves here. If you add tamarind leaves, it gives more tasty. Then add 4 to 5 red dry chilies and fry it well. After 1 minute of adding red chilies, add some 1 tablespoon of chopped tomatoes. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and stir well. Now final step, add dal curry to fried mixture and stir well. Now I mix dal with fried mixture and stir it well. I know this dal curry is bit different than most of us used to cook, but I'm pretty sure if you make this way, you would love it. Here I'm adding fresh chopped coriander leaves and mix it well. Here is my dal curry recipe without coconut milk. It is easy to make when you are in hurry in the morning and it has less ingredients. Once you make, you would like it. I'm sure this will be a helpful video. You can comment below. Please subscribe to my channel and stay safe. We'll be back in new video. Thank you.